Hi, it's James again, and I want to first of all thank you for watching this video and my other videos. As I am trying to grow this channel, sometimes, I'm just going to be honest, it gets a little frustrating. It doesn't go as quick as what I want, but I'm going to keep putting out info, keep putting out videos, and I'm asking you to subscribe, share, and join my social media. Those are the three things. Subscribe, share, and join up with me on my social media channels. Today, I am showing you a free design tool. It's an online tool, and it's something that has been around for quite a while, and I've actually been using it for quite a while. And I'm kind of going into different areas with it now, but it's called Canva. Canva. It's canva.com, C-A-N-V-A. And so today I'm going to be showing you this, and please be sure to click the links below. Join up with me. There's also an affiliate offer in the link below, and we will be giving away a few things. So if you want any of our giveaways, comment below, free giveaway. Comment below, free giveaway. And you need to subscribe. Thank you very much, and we look forward to bringing you this little video. So let's go to the computer, and I will show you what Canva is. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, we are here at canva.com, and basically you just need to go, it's typically a regular sign up. You can actually sign in with Facebook or your Gmail account, or you can sign up with another email address, but you can go to canva.com, and if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for an account. It's totally free. So canva.com is an online design studio. And you can actually save, it automatically saves all your designs. There's templates, you can do photos, print, brand kit, design tool, and create a team. Today what I'm actually going to show you a little bit about is, of course you'll see some of my designs. I'm not that great a designer, but I use it a lot for different businesses I promoted and a lot of different things. But one of the things that I want to let you know about is Design School. They have a lot of free courses, several free courses of getting started and how to graphic design basics, branding your business, presentations to impress, and then they got tutorials, getting started designing, Canva Pro. I mean, there is a paid version. I don't use it. Brand kit. You can actually create different folders, and then publishing. So there are several things. There are some that there's even events that happen around Canva, and which it looks like these are all overseas. But just letting you know that Canva is a little bit bigger than what a lot of people realize. Also, another new thing I just started testing just today. I just set up, they have the opportunity for you to do a team, and what this does is you can sign up for an account and say you are working on a team where each of you are doing designs. Well, you can use one account And so I did that, and I just shot it to another email address that I have, and right there it shows the other team member, which that's another email address I have. But what you will be able to do is set up folders, and this is totally free. You can set up a few folders, and each one do their designs, but you can have access to all the designs, and that way, if you are in an online team and different areas, you can be working on designs and tossing your ideas out, and it all be into one account. So let's get back to the Canva, and of course you'll see I have different designs here. This is a company I work for, and of course I do PLR products, reviews, and different things. But what I wanted to show you is you can create a design, and let's just go ahead and let's create a design. Okay, and when you create a design, you get the opportunity to, they already have preset sizes. So you can go, say, of course, with YouTube, thumbnail is very, very important. Twitter post, YouTube channel art, Facebook post. You can even do t-shirt size. You can create t-shirt designs and then sell on Spreadshirt or t-shirt sites. You can create cards, email, header, Pinterest. They have all of these preset designs. A trifold brochure, isn't that cool? I mean, if you're in the marketing, you can automatically do it. Facebook event cover. You can either go there, or you can actually type in here. I use this a lot for the YouTube thumbnail, so it automatically does it. Another thing about it is you can actually create a design, and you can do custom dimensions. And this way you can actually create your design, and to the specific size. They have pixels, and then they have the options of inches, millimeters, and centimeters. So that is cool. Let's go ahead and jump in. Let me just pull up one of my designs that I have. Well, let's go ahead and just create a new design. Let's go ahead, hold on here. Sorry about this. Okay. Let's create a design. And let's go YouTube thumbnail. Had to get it. I'm being real. Had to get a drink of coffee. So, with the YouTube thumbnail, you want it to kind of pop, and you want to stand out. And one of the things I found out is a white background and a little red on it seems to pop out the best. For some reason, red just stands out. So actually, what you can do is there are free templates that you can use. Or you can pay, a lot of times, just $1 for a template. I never ever pay. I'm a cheapskate, I admit. You can pull up photos, and of course it does go with what it shows trending. Then you go to holiday, and you see there are several photos that are free. And when you click on it, then it'll bring it over here. The different elements, you can actually pull in different shapes, different grids, charts, frames, and these are different. Some are free, some are not. And when you right there, it shows that's premium, and that's only allowed for premium members. But you can actually bring in different shapes. And let me just go ahead and show you this. I'll click on it. It brings it over, and you can do this with the text and anything. So if you see, when you slide this, it gives guidance lines for where it is centered, as you see. Another thing, you can shrink it, or and from side to side, or you can change the color. Let's just change it to red, or sort of red, or you can add your own color. Let's go really bright red. And the same thing happens with the text. You can do text, add in your text, and do whatever you want to with it. When you click on it, it drops it in, and then you can put whatever you want, and it has the type or the style of text and the size, the color. You can go bold. You can actually over here you can go transparency. You can duplicate it. You can position it and format it, or you can lock it down. Put a link in there or lock it down. So there are several options, and along here you can do the different things. Another thing is you can actually upload your own pictures. So with that, you can, I use this quite a bit with the uploading pictures, and then you can drop them in. But all of this works the same way. When you click on it, it drops in and automatically puts the picture. Then you can slide it in and design it however you want. So Canva is free, and I highly recommend you go and watch some of these courses. I haven't gone through all of them. I've started some of them, but they offer a lot of free info. And then you can add a team, and you can create your own designs and have it instead of having to pay for someone to do it. So I hope you've enjoyed this. And I guess the thing about it is we are all learning, and we continue to learn. And there's no sense in paying money when you don't have to. And as starting out, it's very important to try to get a system down. And using free tools is great, and that way you don't have to pay for any design things. And actually, I use Canva a lot for my YouTube thumbnails. Not all of them, but the majority of them. So I hope you've enjoyed this little overview. So I'm asking you, please subscribe, please share, and please connect with me on my social media. And also comment below for some free giveaways. Just comment free giveaway, and we will be giving away some different things to all of our subscribers. Thank you again for watching. Hope you have a great time learning about Canva. We will see you in the next video.